What's up guys, in this video I will be showing you how to create a Snapchat account. So first you want to go to the Google Play Store and search for Snapchat. Then you can go ahead and install it on your device. Now that it is installed, you can open it. Click on Sign Up, then enable Snapchat permissions. Then you need to enter your first and last name. Then you can enter your birthday. They will then provide you a username, but you can choose to change it if you wish. Next, you want to set a password for your account. Then select Continue. So you can choose to sign up with your phone number or your email. In this case, I'm going to be using my email. So enter your email here. And since we are not using a phone number, we can skip this part. We can also skip again. And now we have created our new Snapchat account. If you found this video useful, feel free to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.